Okay, as promised, I'm back here with a passage on natural corollary, crony capitalism. So you may have watched my other videos, and in this video, we're going to dive in straight into that passage and see where are our focus words, where are the clues. So are you ready? All right. Here's our passage. By killing transparency and competition, crony capitalism is harmful to free enterprise, opportunity, and economic growth. Crony capitalism, where rich and influential are alleged to have received land and natural resources and various licenses in return for payoffs to venal politicians, is now a major issue to be tackled. One of the greatest dangers to growth of developing economies like India is the middle income trap, where crony capitalism creates oligarchies that slow down the growth. This is your passage. And this is your time to pause the video and look at the passage again. The passage is also there in the description box of this video. So go over it, I count till 3, assuming you're going to pause this video. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back. Now, look at the highlights. What's being killed? Transparency and competition, important words you must know as a UPSC aspirants. Who's killing these? Crony capitalism in red, right away in the first line. And there is a qualifier, harmful, author's tone, to what? Free enterprise, opportunity, and economic growth. 3 things. Free enterprise, what does that mean? Opportunity, what does that mean? Economic growth. These 3 areas. The second line, right away, you see crony capitalism in the beginning, meaning it's being repeated. Where rich and the influential, these words are also good words. The rich and the influential are alleged to have received land, natural resources, all these things. And how have they? Payoffs to venal politicians is now a major issue to be tackled. One of the greatest dangers to growth of developing economies like India is the middle income trap, where crony capitalism creates oligarchies. Can you tell me, did you find the word group for oligarchies in some line here? Second line, the rich and the influential. And the growth repeats again. So from all your reading, you have to focus on which words come again and again, and how can they be connected. Then we talk about our question, which is, which among the following is the most logical corollary? Those highlighted in pink are my favorite words that we discuss in an offline class. But now, look at the keywords in the 4 options given below. What would make you think that option number A could be the answer? More welfare schemes and allocating more finances for the current schemes. Current schemes, they are in question, are urgently needed. So we park this option. Next, efforts should be made to push up economic growth by other means and provide licenses to the poor. If we provide 2G and all those licenses to the poor, remember the scams? What would happen? Will they be able to use it? So this option, does it look like a proper option? Yeah, unfortunately, one of our very popular websites for UPSC preparation has that as its answer. So there is a certain level of subjectivity everywhere, but then we have UPSC key. Look at the third option, my favorite words, and I'm hoping yours would be too, the same ones, greater transparency and financial inclusion. Charming. We should concentrate, the 4th option says, more on developing manufacturing sector than service sector. Is this passage about manufacturing versus service? Slightly vague, beyond the scope. Now, I've forced the answer into your thought process. Here is some vocabulary. You can pause the video and check out the vocabulary again. And I would want you to know these terms: the middle income trap, crony capitalism, vocab check. Let me ask you a quick question. Showing or motivated, this is an adjective. Showing or motivated by susceptibility to bribery, corrupt. What word in the passage gives you this? Can you find it? If you're smart enough, you can look at the example right below. That's the word. You got it. Congratulations. You're improving already. You're already smart. And then there are two more words that will make you even smarter. Two more terms that I would want you to focus at. Laissez-faire, benevolent capitalism, important concepts. So I'm hoping you're enjoying all these videos. You pause, you come back to discussion. What's the answer to this? Shouldn't the natural corollary be as natural as option number 3? For more videos, subscribe and like, and let me know how you're enjoying them, benefiting from them by using my email ID. So until then, until we meet again, stay connected, wait for more videos. This session was on crony capitalism.